Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve leadership skills with Dale Carnegie, beginner guide step by step clearly. Dale Carnegie emphasized the importance of developing strong leadership skills for personal and professional growth. Begin by understanding the core principles of effective communication. Learn the art of listening actively. Make it a habit to listen more than you speak. This fosters trust and respect among team members. Next, focus on building genuine relationships. Take the time to know your team on a personal level. Show sincere interest in their ideas and concerns. Practice giving praise. Recognizing achievements boosts morale and motivates individuals. Learn to handle criticism gracefully. When faced with negative feedback, respond constructively. This demonstrates resilience and fosters a positive environment. Develop your decision-making skills. Evaluate all options before making a choice. Involve your team in the decision-making process. Encouraging input creates a sense of ownership. Work on your conflict resolution abilities. Address issues promptly and fairly. Encourage open dialogue to find amicable solutions. Set clear goals for your team. Communicate these goals effectively and regularly. Ensure everyone understands their role in achieving them. Read Dale Carnegie's books to deepen your understanding. Consider How to Win Friends and Influence People as a foundational text. Attend workshops or seminars focused on leadership development. Engage in practice scenarios with peers or mentors. Seek feedback on your leadership style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.